Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect and analyze the latest gadgets and appliances to help you make informed decisions. Today, we have something truly special on the review table, the Neff N90 Oven. This isn't just any oven. It's the epitome of culinary excellence and style. Let's dive right in. Right off the bat, the Neff N90 Oven captivates with its sleek design and premium features. It's more than just an oven. It's a culinary companion that elevates your cooking experience. With its integrated steam function, versatile grill, fan, temperature probe, and more, this oven offers every cooking mode you could imagine. The Flex design range allows you to customize the oven to match your kitchen aesthetic, with options for different trims and handles. And let's talk about that door. The slide and hide feature isn't just a gimmick, it's a game changer. Say goodbye to awkward reaches and hello to effortless loading and unloading. Inside, you'll find 71 liters of cooking space, complete with adjustable shelves and intuitive touchscreen controls. And speaking of controls, the optional twist pad Flex adds a whole new level of convenience, allowing you to navigate settings with ease. But let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the performance. This oven doesn't just look good, it cooks like a dream. With precise temperature control and even heat distribution, every dish comes out perfectly cooked, whether you're baking, roasting, grilling, or steaming. And when it comes to cleanup, the Neff N90 makes life easy. From easy cleaning to pyrolytic cleaning, maintaining this oven is a breeze, leaving you more time to focus on what matters, creating culinary masterpieces. And let's not forget about connectivity. With the Home Connect app, you can monitor and control your oven remotely, receiving notifications when your meal is ready to perfection. In conclusion, the Neff N90 Oven isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a statement piece. From its stunning design to its unmatched performance, this oven sets the bar high for culinary excellence. If you're passionate about cooking and refuse to compromise on quality, then look no further. This is the oven you've been dreaming of. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy cooking!